You see here a gCADPlus design for a site in the United States in Massachusetts. If we go to gCADPlus plant schedules and say show symbols with names, you can see that most of the symbols have been assigned a name in the attached GCP file. Let's look at that GCP or plant database file. We'll edit it. Notice that some of the names in the list, such as canadensis, has a red underline. That's gCADPlus's way of saying that this particular database file, it suspects that the spelling of canadensis is not correct. We look at it and say, well, yes, it is. So we hover over it, right click and say add word and say add. And you'll notice now that the underline has disappeared. Camiciferous persevere. Let's just right click while hovering over the word and say add the word rather, and we're done. Do the same with persifera and add it. So we can work our way fairly quickly through the list. 16 Andals Summer Suite, I think should be 16 candles. And as we move away from it, that red underline disappears. Clethra, notice there are two clethras in here, so we can hover over one of the clethras, add the word like so, and both then disappear. The same applies to alnifolia. So we, again, it gets a little tricky. You have to hover over it with the eye-shaped cursor and add that word and close. So you can see now we've removed quite a lot of the red underlining. Let's do it for Summer Suite and we'll close. So I'll just quickly work my way through the list. In a sense, that's tedious, but what it does do, it means that when you generate your plant schedule, let's OK it from there, and we'll zoom out a little and come across. There's the plant schedule that's been generated. The information in that plant schedule is drawn from the plant database, so the spelling is going to be correct in the list. When you save the drawing and save the plant database file and then use that very same plant database file in other drawings, your corrections will be carried forward. So it's a once-only task to fix up those spelling errors. Not that they're spelling errors, but it's just a flag to say, hey, check these things. There's nothing worse than landscape designs with misspelled names in the names of plants.